Hi. Just some fun to do this afternoon. We just received a little something which I ordered a long time ago, which at the time of the outbreak of the coronavirus was supposed to be 15 days. It's been a week to get it, but it's been now 5 weeks. But this is something I hope very beneficial to my health. I'm just going to cut it open very carefully and have a look, see what they sent me. Hopefully. Oh, there you go. Alright, let's have a look at that. Ooh. Is it open? Try not to do anything in the process. I'll keep the box. Oh, nice. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Well, I'll get rid of the box. As you can see, you'll probably guess what it is. It's in the form of, I don't know if there's anything in the pocket. Maybe they put a I love you Paul in the pocket. No, nothing. I should have washed this first. Maybe shouldn't I? Maybe I should have really have washed this first. But there you go. Too late now, I've handled it. So let's have a look at the little beauty inside. And have some fun with this. And as I open it, oh bloody hell. It's wrapped up again and again though. There's the nice case, really good case. Bargain. Now, let's have a look at the size of this little devil. Take off the elastic bands. God, it's well packed. Super stoked. Let's have a look at this. And it's in a bag, another bag. Okay, cool. Wow, it's like Christmas. Wonderful, isn't it? Kids at Christmas, here we go. Wow, look at that. I am fucking stoked. Hey, fucking great. Oops. Seems long ago I got to go back on. Oh, real fun, real cool. Oh, well, so anyway, here is custom, not custom, but nicely decorated uke. I'm well stoked. It's Kinizi. It's made in Japan as well. Yeah, I think so, yeah. So, nice machine heads, cool. So, I'll get back to you. I'll probably put the soundtrack. Oh, okay. So, I'm very stoked. Got one new ukulele. It's a bit bigger than my older one. This is a tenor uke, and I'm very stoked so far. And the action is just so much better than my old one. And it's a thin-bodied uke as well, you see. So, I'll probably do a soundtrack for the backing of this, okay? So bye. See you now in a minute, like that. Yeah, raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean to say the moon has gone to bed. Nothing. Well, gotta learn the chords now, haven't I? Okay. See you later. Oh.